welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovid, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create mint mass in the grounded. It is actually one of the best weapons in grounded. I think it's like on third place, the best weapons. On second place, on second place you have this. On first place you have this Club of the Motor Demon. It is on second or third, and it is also one of the best guns, Spicy Coltana. 3 best weapons. Okay, so look, if you want to have mint mount, you must get on the table. You have also a tutorial on my channel how to get here without any problems. And now, one of the first what we need to do, guys, is get on the table. You must here use you must here create connection. Now you fly there, or is second way. There are 2 options. You have 2 options to get here. First is this zip line. Second one is climb up on this rubbish bin and go here, jump here with help of dandelion. You need this dandelion. You must press shift and you just fly here. Okay guys, so you have the hard monsters are here, so you must be careful. You must be well equipped, good armor, good gun. Okay, so you need assistant manager key card. Behind this door you have chip, you have barrel chip, which allow you create this mint mass. You understand? So you must get inside. After this you go to the barrel, you just run to barrel, you deliver this chip to him, and now you can buy this in computer. There, you know, you have upgrade your character, stamina. You just spend your raw science to Mace mint mass. Okay, and then you can create this gun. You just need ice cap or mint ice cap, mint shard. You need also oven. You need oven. Oh, this, and you just then create mint mass. So that's all. That's all steps. I hope that you understood what I wanted to show you. That's all. So you must get on the table, go there. There is barrel chip. After this one you go to this tree. You just deliver this chip to barrel, and then you can spend your rough science to have mint mass. Hops backpack max. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. You may like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Okay, and see you next time. Bye bye.